Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. So I just got home. I was out for the day with my mom and grandmother and brother, and I just got home to some packages. So I'm so tired. I don't have any makeup on. I look a mess, but I'm so eager to open these packages because I am the world's most impatient person, and I was like, I literally physically can't wait until tomorrow to film these videos because I want to open these packages that bad. So I'm filming right now. It's late, I'm tired, but we're going to get through it. So anyway, the first video, which is the first one that you will see, and the first package that I'm going to open is this month's Boxycharm. It is the July 2021 Boxycharm. I've seen kind of some previews on Instagram of what this month's Boxycharm is, but I don't know like what I got, which box this is, or anything like that. So we're gonna get into this today. We're gonna go through, see what's inside, and hopefully some good stuff. So here is the inside of the July 2021 Boxycharm box. The theme is fantasy, S-E-A, like fantasy. And here's what is inside. I am going to go and venture a guess that this is the base box. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, we got 5 items, so it is the base box. So let's get right into it. So first things first, we have a brand that I haven't heard of before. It is Generation Skin, Gen Skin. Here it is here, and it says that they are hydrating marine algae eye patches. So some eye patches. This is really funny because the last Boxycharm box I got, well, last month I got all 3 Boxycharm boxes, the base, premium, and luxe boxes. So I unboxed all 3 of them and compared them, and the luxe box, I think it was, has some eye patches inside, but I'm actually almost all out of them, so this came at a good time. But anyway, it is the Generation Skin Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches. Marine algae is a straight from the sea skincare savior dense with vitamins, minerals, proteins, and essential fatty acids. When applied to the delicate skin around your eyes, it helps firm, smooth, soothe, plump, and brighten like nothing else, used for dewier, fresher looking peepers, and is worth $49.99. So right off the bat, you are getting one item that is worth more than you would pay for this box because the base box is $25 a month. $50 for this one item, so it's worth it. Also, since this is just the first product, I don't want to like jump to any conclusions, but I do think it's cool that the theme is fantasy and these are like a marine algae, you know, straight from the sea kind of product. So I wonder if they're all like this. I guess we'll just have to see. Next brand, I feel like I've heard of them before. I think that I may have received a product from them in a Boxycharm or FabFitFun before, but I'm not entirely sure. But the brand is Dermalect Cosmeceuticals. Here it is here, and the product is Outcrease Retinol Trifecta Serum. So that's a fancy name. I'm gonna say that it targets anti-aging. So let's see. Dermalect Cosmeceuticals Outcrease Retinol Trifecta Serum. Dermalect Outcrease successfully targets the look of fine lines, wrinkles, thick skin, and sun damage. The anhydrous formula features 3 tremendously effective forms of retinol actives in a concentrated micro-encapsulated delivery system. It is worth $39. So far, the 2 products that we've opened so far have been like pretty good like value. So I'm liking this box so far, and it's 2 skincare products, which obviously, as you can tell, in the summer I favor skincare over makeup just because, especially this past week, it's been like the depths of hell outside. So I'm literally dying all the time, and just having like a lot of makeup on my face hasn't been the best in this heat. So I'm kind of favoring skincare over makeup at this very moment. Now, if I get any new makeup, I do of course try that, but at this current moment, favoring skincare. Next brand I have definitely heard of. I've actually gotten something from this brand in a Boxycharm before, and I've since used it all up, and it's one of my new favorite products that I have received in the past year. Love it. But anyway, it is from Pharmacy, and this one is the Whipped Greens Oil-Free Foaming Cleanser. So I love trying new cleansers, love Pharmacy, and it says here the Pharmacy Whipped Greens Oil-Free Foaming Cleanser, an oil-free foaming cleanser that draws out dirt, oil, and impurities caused by pollution. The soap-free pH-balanced formula is infused with purifying moringa, papaya, and green clay to help clean pores and surface residue, while sodium PCA helps replenish skin hydration and is worth $28. So I'm not typically a fan of foaming cleansers, but I am willing to try anything once. So hopefully actually. Okay, so I guess foaming cleansers and foam cleansers are different, because I was thinking that this was going to be like in a pump bottle where it was going to come out as foam, but I don't think this is going to be like that. And I'm actually really excited to try this because I love a good cleanser, and I'm running out of the ones that I have in my bathroom, and you know, I could always use some new cleansers because I use them every day. So I'm really excited. And the fact that it's worth $28, just add that onto the previous two products, and this box, it has a good value so far. So next we actually have a makeup product, and it is from the brand Billion Dollar Brows, which I haven't used before, and it is a micro brow pencil in the shade Taupe. So here it is here, just a brow pencil. Haven't tried this brand before, but if you have and you have any thoughts on it, please let me know in the comments. But anyway, it says here, Billion Dollar Brows, Brows on Point Micro Pencil. When precision matters, this Brows on Point Micro Brow Pencil will help you get the look you want. This precise brow pencil features a thin tip to cover each and every hair with the color you want, and can create hair-like strokes for a natural looking eyebrow, and is worth $16. So this last product in here, I'm actually like really excited about. It is from the brand M2U NYC, which I haven't heard of before, but I'm actually really excited about this. It is a makeup blending sponge set. I love makeup sponges. I love trying them out. I have a few in here that honestly are falling apart. I should probably get rid of them. So anyway, this is the M2U NYC Makeup Blending Sponge Set, a collection of 4 super soft latex-free 3D makeup blending sponges in a variety of shapes to help you achieve the exact look you've been dreaming of. No need to worry about splotches, foundation lines, or creasing. It is worth $20. So I really like that each one of these sponges are like a different shape. This blue one up here, I have a sponge that is that shape right now that I use all the time. I absolutely love it. So I'm really excited to try these out. Let's see. Again, this isn't a brand that I've heard of before, so if you have heard of them and you've tried them out before, please let me know. They're extremely squishy, like extremely soft. I actually like that. I know some people like their sponges like a bit harder. Me in particular, I like them like softer. I think they do a better job of applying makeup on my skin in particular. I don't know. I guess each person has their own preferences, but I'm really excited to have gotten these sponges. So again, here is everything in the box. The Dermalect Cosmeceuticals, the Gen Skin eye patches, the brow pencil, the Pharmacy cleanser, and the makeup sponges. All in all, it came to $152.99, which I think is a great value for just paying $25 for this box. So this was the base box. Like I said, $25 a month for the base box. It is $35 a month for the premium box, or $49.99 for the Luxe box per quarter. So that Luxe box is a quarterly box. If you have watched any of my Boxycharm unboxing videos before, you know I always go into the spiel at the end explaining the different tiers of boxes and what each one is. The base box is 5 products, the premium box is 6 products, and the Luxe box is 8 or more products, and the Luxe box has beauty and lifestyle products, whereas the base and premium have beauty. So I personally really love Boxycharm boxes, as you know, because I always say, because they are such a great surprise on your doorstep each month, and they give you different products that you may not have thought of trying otherwise, and you save a lot of money doing so. I have found tons of my favorite products through Boxycharm, and this box in particular this month, I really love that it's focused more on skincare, because I am more focused on skincare myself in the summer months, and I just like having fresh skin for the heat outside, and because I'm going to the beach and I'm swimming and doing all kinds of stuff outdoors, so having just nice skin, fresh skin is really great for the summer. So if you have any questions about this box in particular, Boxycharm as a whole, or anything like that, please let me know. I will do my absolute best to answer them for you, or reach out to Boxycharm and get the answers you need. If there are any other subscription boxes out there that you would like to see me unbox or try out, please let me know, and I will try my best to get my hands on them. And if you like today's video, make sure you hit the red button down below, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell next to it to be notified whenever I post, and make sure you follow me on social media at Brie Cutter. And until next time, see you guys.